So good afternoon everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the rectangular footing and trapezoidal footing. In the last lab we are discussed about one way and two way slab. So here today we are going to discuss about the footings. First of all, after opening your AutoCAD software, convert the units into decimal to millimeters. Okay, decimal to millimeters and click on OK. Then start your drawing. Here in rectangular footing, the length of the span is 2800 mm and depth of the span is 3000 mm. Okay. Here we go. So this is the dimension, this is the column, this is the footing pit dimension. So we are placed the reinforcement in this pit. So here the column size is 400 by 600 is given. How we can place at the middle of this mat? We can place the column as 400 and 600. So this is the center and the 400 is the width. So I am giving 200 from the center to here and to here 200. So overall 400 and the depth is 600. So I am giving 300 from the center. So you can trim all these lines. So we can get here, this is the column position and the dimensions is 400 by 600 and the reinforced and the cover is mentioned here 50 mm. So I am mentioning the cover is 50 mm on all sides of the pit. So trim all the sides of extended lines. So here this is the clear cover 50 mm and here the reinforcement at along with shorter span and longer span, the reinforcement is given with along with the 16 mm dia with 175 mm spacing. So here we calculate with the spacing how many number of bars will be present here. So here we are already know the overall length of the span is 2800 and we are already given the cover 50 100 minus, so 2700 with dividing with the spacing 175 spacing, so we can get 15.42. so 15.42 is nothing but we can do 16, approximately it is 15 or 16. So offset I am giving offset 175 mm spacing, 16 mm dia bars along with the 2800 mm. So here this and along the span 3000 mm we can give the 16 dia with 175 mm spacing. So here we go with same spacing along with longer span. By using the array command we can also place this mat position. Trim the lines at column position. Trim the lines here. So here we go. This is the rectangular footing. So here the rectangular footing cut into the longitudinally, cut into this type of longitudinal section. The section view will be like here. I am drawing here. So here. So the depth of the column is 600 mm. So I am giving 600 thickness of the bed, 600 mm. So here 600 mm is given, and then after here, this is the cutting, this is the column position, and the reinforcement will be started here with a 50 mm or 25 mm, I think. So it is in the column reinforcement I will give the 25 mm spacing. So here in the foundation mat, that is the 50 mm cover. So I mentioned here 50 mm cover. So after this, up to 752 mm, the bar will be bent up to here. So here the reinforcement will be arranged like here. We already have a 16 mm dia bars along the 300 mm span. So the reinforcement will be placed here. I think so, like here, like this. And also we can place with the by using the spacing. but I am mentioning the how to draw a section view from the plan. So here we go. We can mention here the diameter of the bar. So I mentioned 5 or it is so small. So I'm mentioning here 8 or 10. We'll mention 10. So okay. Copy this. So here we go. These are all the. So we can delete. So this is the section view. Section view of the rectangular footing. So the bars should be placed up to here. So this is the rectangular footing mat and the section view of the rectangular footing. So after that, the trapezoidal footing, we can see the trapezoidal footing. The length of the span is 2400. And the depth of the span is also be 2400. So here we go. This is the mat position, and also we can mention the column position in the mat. Here the column is 400 by 400, so I am giving the from center to 200. So trim all the sides. So here, and also the cover is 50 mm. The trapezoidal footing is similar to the rectangular footing, but the difference is the bottom portion of the footing is to be in the shape of trapezoidal. So they named it as trapezoidal footing. After giving the footing, we can give the reinforcement along the both directions with 12 mm dia bars with 220 mm spacing. 220 mm spacing. Offset can be given 220 mm spacing. So here we go, these are the symbols. And here we go, the section view of the trapezoidal footing. Here the column lines. So here we have 250 mm thickness bed. And the trapezoidal section is cut at 750 mm, up to height 750 mm. So from the bottom, so we can given 750 mm. Okay. So this is the shape, trapezoidal shape. So we have mentioned it as trapezoidal footing. This is the column position. And also we can mention the column reinforcement here. Up to the length of 564 mm. Okay. So here we go. The reinforcement, the 12 mm bars will be placed here. And place here. Here the cover is also 50 mm. Yeah. Same similar to the rectangular footing, we can place the bars here. So here we go. This is the rectangular and trapezoidal footing and plan and the section view. And you can give the tabular form with bar bending schedule. Here the same footings are in similar position, but in the trapezoidal section, the section view we can, when we see from the section view, the shape of the footing is in trapezoidal manner. So here we go, then it is named as the trapezoidal section. The reinforcement, the bed should be, the footing bed should be closed with trapezoidal shape. In the rectangular footing, the footing bed will be in the flat position. So the difference is here. So this is about the rectangular and trapezoidal footing experiment. Thank you.